Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. And as you can see from the box, we have a Laco. Laco is one of these old German brands from 1925, and it was one of the brands that made Flieger watches, so pilot's watches for the Luftwaffe, the German Air Force. And they were quite well made back then, and I think still until now they're really good. And I featured one of their watches on the channel a couple of weeks ago, and maybe I'll leave a link in the description. And I thought this model is also really similar to the model as you can see, Aachen 42 millimeters, Laco 2S automatic, reference number 861690.2. Around 340 euros, that's the price on Amazon. And basically I'll just show you today how this watch looks like, how it feels, and then I'll make a full review video in a week or so. So if you do like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, it doesn't cost you anything, and let's get down to business. So let me open the box. Nice box, by the way, from Laco. Definitely, you know where you're paying your money. And nice leather box, nice leather travel pack. And here we go. So you have the international warranty card. You have the, I think it's a Type B dial Flieger. So Type B dial chronograph, pilot's watch. And nice move by Laco to have a piece of leather as the ticket. That's a very, very nice one. I'll just leave it here, put this on the side, and as you can see, this is the Aachen. Let me take this off. This is the Aachen 42 millimeters Laco automatic watch. So I have a see-through case back, as you can see, with a Miyota movement. I'll leave the caliber specification in the description. You have 5 Atmos, so 50 meters of water resistance. I think that's adequate for such watches. I don't think anybody will go swimming with these watches. And like Bill Sanders always said, if you need water resistance in a pilot's watch, you're in big trouble. So hand wind. So from the title, you know that this watch would be 42 millimeters in diameter, but lug to lug, it's actually around 50. So exactly 50, and thickness only 12 millimeters, and lug width of 20 millimeters. So 42, 20, which is a good combination. You have this Flieger thick, I think it's a 3 millimeters thick, maybe. Yeah, 40 millimeters thick leather strap with the 2 studs here. Classical Flieger look. Laco branded buckle. Like I said, 50 meters of water resistance. This watch is a bit heavy. I think it's around 120, 180, 190 grams. And it has a nice loom, as we will see now. I'm just filling in the loom hands. And let me take the hands. So filling the looms of the watch. That's one of the, let's say, highlights of Flieger watches is loom. As you can see, you have the 2 dials. You have the minute in the outer ring and the hours in the inner ring, which is quite useful because now you can see 10 to 10. And yeah, I'm actually wearing my other Flieger here, this Fortis. So let's put this away and let's put this on the wrist. So for your reference, I have a 17.2, maybe 17.3 after the vacation wrist size. So around 6.7 inches, so medium sized wrist. And this is how the watch looks like on my wrist. Flat from the side, from the back, and from the front. Really, really nice. It has the same issue most of the Miyota movements has. You can hear the rotor, but that's I think an issue that very little people have problem with. I think if I'm wearing this watch, I need another strap because I was on the last point and it was still not tight on my wrist. This is made for bigger wristed people. And really, really nice dial. I'm enjoying the dial a lot, and the loom is excellent loom, made in Germany on the 6 o'clock. And as you can see here, you can see the loom very bright. So stainless steel case, brushed, I think horizontal brushes, onion crown. Really, really nice. I think this watch I will enjoy a lot, and be sure to check out the review. It will be coming up in the next weeks. So if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, don't forget to leave them in the comment section. And as always, invitation to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. And be sure to check out these videos if you're interested. Bye bye everybody.